Hello, friends. Today, I am here with one more important and interesting book, which changed the lives of many people. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People, by Stephen Covey, is a self help book that provides a holistic approach to personal and professional development. Here's a step by step summary of the key concepts presented in the book. 1. Be proactive. Covey introduces the first habit, be proactive, which emphasizes taking responsibility for your life and actions. Being proactive means recognizing that you have the power to choose your responses to life's circumstances and taking initiative to shape your own destiny. 2. Begin with the end in mind. The second habit, begin with the end in mind, encourages readers to clarify their values, goals, and priorities and create a clear vision of what they want to achieve in life. By starting with a clear destination in mind, individuals can align their actions with their long-term vision and purpose. 3. Put first things first. Covey introduces the third habit, put first things first, which emphasizes prioritizing activities based on their importance and urgency. Effective time management involves focusing on high priority tasks that align with your goals and values and avoiding distractions and time wasters. 4. Think win-win. The fourth habit, think win-win, encourages a mindset of mutual benefit and collaboration. Covey emphasizes the importance of seeking mutually beneficial solutions in relationships and interactions, rather than adopting a competitive or zero-sum mentality. 5. Seek first to understand, then to be understood. Covey introduces the fifth habit, seek first to understand, then to be understood, which emphasizes the importance of empathetic listening and effective communication. Before seeking to be understood, individuals should first seek to understand others' perspectives and experiences. 6. Synergize. The sixth habit, synergize, encourages the cultivation of creative cooperation and teamwork. Covey suggests that by valuing and leveraging the strengths and differences of individuals, teams can achieve greater results than individuals working alone. 7. Sharpen the saw. Covey introduces the seventh habit, sharpen the saw, which emphasizes the importance of self-renewal and continuous improvement. To maintain effectiveness over the long term, individuals should invest in their physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By practicing these 7 habits, individuals can enhance their personal effectiveness, cultivate positive relationships, and achieve greater fulfillment and success in all areas of life. Covey emphasizes the importance of integrating these habits into daily routines and making them a way of life rather than just a set of techniques or strategies. To know more in detail about this book, you can buy it from the following link below. Please subscribe and click on bell icon to receive the notification when I upload the new book summary. Happy reading!